Hey guys, so a lot of you were asking for space and to see what the algo is actually doing. So I think I need to explain myself a little bit better on how the algo actually works. It doesn't, I mean, yes, it gives you signals like bullish, bearish signals here, but the actual way that it works is it makes the trades down here. So currently right now you guys can see every single little green spot is where my algo actually bought and sold. So the blue arrow is where it bought, and the green one is where it's sold. So you can see that on June 23rd, it sold for a 51% profit. Here it sold for 47. And currently, as of November 20th, it's holding a 12% profit right now. So it does have one position, and it's currently holding it. It hasn't sold it or anything, but it's currently holding the position on November 20th. I think it's still holding it. What are we in? November 20th was Friday. Yeah, so it's still holding the position. And as of right now, it's holding it. It's at 12% gain right now. So currently my algo hasn't taken any actual trades. I mean, it would be a good idea on average for space right now. On average, it made about a 50 to 47% gain. And currently right now it's at 12%. And it took the buy at $20.85 on November 17th. Actually, what was it? November 17th at $20, and with an average gain of around 40-50%. That means that the algo is expecting space to go up to around $30, because that's an average of maybe 50%, the gain around 40%. So I do think that as of right now, the algo thinks that it's going back up to like the $25 level. Currently space closed on Friday on, let me double check here, man. So space, I hate using mobile, right? So it closed at 23. So I do think that we might see space run up to about 25 bucks. So I do think calls might be the play here if you guys want to play it for a bit and then kind of get out before. But there is a chance, there's a really good chance, there's like a 90% chance that it's going to hit 25 this week, and there's maybe like a 60% chance that it'll hit $30 this week, or maybe in 2 weeks. At least that's what my algo is thinking, and that's what it's predicting, because it's only been on space. My algo's been making on average about 50%, 40%. On average, it's been making about like 45 to 50% profit on every single swing trade that it takes. And it's currently holding this one trade at a 12% gain. So I do think that if, space drops a little bit on Monday, I do think it would be a really good time to buy. I do think a solid price target right now, according to just my algo, would be around $25. And then maybe like a 70-ish% chance that it hits $30 within the next 2 weeks. At least from what my algo has predicted on its orders from prior purchases, right? From prior orders, and what the percentage take is on space. So yeah, I mean, if you guys actually think that, I'll probably put up some TA on space, but as of right now, my algo is actually holding a position. It's holding the position since November 20th, on November 17th actually, and it bought at $20.85, and it's still holding at a 12% gain right now. So that's it, guys.